Next meeting here, 11th of April, set to run. Off and racing in a beautiful dispatch too. Marshall Street was eased towards the back of the field with Little Missy Tide. Ashanti Lass came out running and she's going to lead early on. Formidable Storm shooting around the outside. Little Billy Rose goes up third. Fourth, Mahjong Smile. Then Wahakaha Kid, who's over on the outside here of Bear Trader, back on the inside from Last Charge. Latavia, Saxa Pax in the middle. A further 1.5 to Poppies for Spring from Little Missy Tide. And last of all is Marshall Street, 600 to go. Formidable Storm allowed to roll along, leads by just over a length here. Ashanti Lass, Little Billy Rose is third, then Mahjong Smile who's fourth from Last Charge. Saxapack coming through on the inside. Wakaha Kid and a further length back in the field too. Latavia wide, Poppies for Spring well back. Marshall Street, Last Charge, and last of all is Little Missy Tide, 200 to go. Ashanti Lass in front. Formidable Storm, Mahjong Smile on the outside coming at them. Ashanti Lass still in front from Formidable Storm, and Mahjong Smile, and Ashanti Lass is going to do it from the front and wins by a length and a half. Formidable Storm third, Mahjong Smile tight fourth, Bear Trader, Saxa Pack. Back and behind those was Little Billy Rose from Latavia, Marshall Street, Poppies for Spring, then Little Missy Tide, Wakaha Kid, and Last Charge was at the rear.